Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities we found this morning over at the Discord. Through all the volatility of the day, we still managed to find a 20% plus home run for the day. It all happened in the first 30 minutes of the market opening, but that's why timing and execution is everything. We found others that were 3 to 5%, 5 to 8% on the day, giving us a regular expectation, but we still managed to find a home run. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and you'll gain access to the stocks I watch daily and a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. So here we are with CLOV stock, Clover Health Stock, Clover Health Investments, and it was dipping in the morning looking weak. It hit a low here of 1360. That's an important support level we're going to discuss in just a moment. And it took off, giving a 10 to 20% jump from those lows to those highs. So right now, it's in tug of war zone. The 50-day moving average is 1476. Anything below it is bearish. Anything above it is bullish. Currently sitting at 1464 as I speak. And the first support level I would watch is 1448. If that gets broken through, the next point of reference I would look at is obviously the lows down here of 1361, 1363, give or take. And watch if the bull is trying to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Now, the first resistance level that the bulls need to break through beyond the 50-day moving average is the highest point before this dip, and that's right here at 1544, right before the weakness started to appear. And if that gets turned into a support, the highest point of the day was 1602, 1603, give or take. That needs to be broken through by the bulls and turn into a support so they can bounce off of it, pull further away from the 50-day moving average, reach newer highs, new resistance levels, and continue the momentum upwards. Now, if they accomplish that, the next point of reference would be still this high here from back on the 10th of 1863 to be turned into a support so that this can rally up, force the shorts to go ahead and cover, creating a potential short squeeze. We'll have to see. And if not, the bulls just dominating with inflow, more purchases than outflow of selling going on, pushing the stock upwards to newer highs. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time to go ahead and share with you guys the opportunities I found this morning over at the Discord, as well as a ticker symbol you won't want to miss that you definitely want to have on your watch list if you don't have it already. So the ticker symbol I want to share with you guys today is one that I've mentioned before here on the YouTube channel towards the second half of the videos, as well as the Patreon. We caught it pretty close to its most recent lows. It's already jumped up 10 to 15% since we caught it at that area, and it's consolidating right now at newer highs. There's no better time than now to start doing research and knowing about this stock if you don't have it on your watch list already. But before we look at that chart and what ticker symbol that is, I'm going to share with you guys the opportunities we found this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link to the Discord is down below in the description. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. We look forward to having you join us. So ENOB was our home run of the day. COCP sat kind of sideways. It dipped a little bit and jumped back up, giving a 3 to 5% opportunity. And ETTX was one of those that pulled back. And on that pullback, it jumped back up 5 to 8%, pulled back down again, and gave another 3 to 5% opportunity. But our home run of the day was very, very volatile. It was already up 100% on the day, and we caught it at 1068, and that's ENOB. So let's go ahead and look at this chart together. When we caught it, today was a pretty regular day. not a lot of momentum, not a lot of volume, but this stock had a lot of hype around it. And as soon as we talked about it, it took off in the pre-market, giving 10 to 15%, pulled back down. I was looking for further weakness. I did not want to FOMO because of how fast it was moving in the pre-market. And from the lows right there in the pre-market at 11.22, it shot up to a high of 12.90, guys. 12.94, 12.99. It was literally almost at $13, giving another 10 to 15% jump. But from when we mentioned it to its highest point, it gave almost 20% plus to 25% on the day. It gave another dip here at the lows here of close to 1078 and shot up to 1242, 43-ish, and that gave another 10 to 15% jump on the day. Now you could see how quickly things fell, close to 100% on the day, and that is something to be aware of on why this stock reacted this way. It pulled back pretty fast, and the rest of the day was kind of sideways, giving 3 to 5% opportunities. This is why timing and execution is everything, and every stock that I'm watching, I'm looking for 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus is a home run. If that's something that interests you and you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description. So what's the stock you want to add to your watch list? Well, it's Airbnb, Airbnb Inc. So we caught this one as it was going to its lowest points down here at 130, 129, consolidated and shot up from 130 all the way up to 152, 153-ish. And right now, it's consolidating at newer highs, guys. This is going to revolutionize the way hospitality works. And not only that, it's creating entrepreneurs that want to get into this business by using Airbnb as a passive or / active income opportunity. So this stock is more than just hospitality as we know it, but also creating opportunities for investors and for those trying to form a business around this setup and this whole entire innovation. Now, it's very short-lived. We don't know enough about Airbnb, how profitable it could be for the entrepreneurs and for the platform itself, right? It still has a lot to prove itself. You can see that in the income statements. But this stock is a growth stock that is going to change things around. And when it IPO'd, it took off to almost $220. And since then, it's been rejected. It's right now building up momentum. We caught this one real early, and right now it's up 10 to 20% since we talked about it. And I believe there's still upside room, and especially in this consolidation period that it's in right now, above those lows that we recently caught it at and started talking about it, is very important to be aware of, because this shows strength, right? Because all it takes is another catalyst to take it up to newer highs. As always, this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing the opportunities that I'm watching and why I'm watching them. In no shape or form will I ever tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any of these positions. If not, I'm just here to share with you guys why I came across it, what I liked about it, and if you overlooked it, here you have a new opportunity to be enlightened on and do further due diligence and research on. And as an investor, you make your own rational decisions. So in no shape or form will I be telling you guys to buy, sell, or hold any of these positions. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And if you're interested in becoming part of the community, the link to the Discord is down below in the description. And by joining, you will gain access to all the stocks I watch daily and also my weekly watch list over at the Patreon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.